All right, so when we're setting up our two-piece valley, we'll do the following steps. So option one, after I get my drip edge on, go ahead and bring my two-piece valley together. And then I can bring this down, make sure my entire width is overhanging a minimum 1 inch. And I can go ahead and notch out that drip edge. Fasten with my washer screws every 2 feet on the outside. No fasteners in here. Okay? And then we can go ahead and just install panels as normal. The other option is going to be using our flat stock to make a valley extension. So you can just see putting a fold on this guy, water stop on either side. Now I can go ahead and put this on. If I'm going to use this, go ahead and grab your caulk gun. Go ahead and throw a couple lines of caulking on the extension, and then we'll go ahead and slide our two-piece into place. And then we can go ahead and install our valley pan with our washer and screws every 2 feet. And then we can come back, bring our gutter riser, and we'll bring that flush with our drip edge and bring it flush with our valley metal for our extension pan. Now in treat areas, we recommend using our M-seal inside of our J-pan. That way debris will not get inside the system and clog it up. So we're just going to bring that inside that J-pan on either side. The entire length of my valley. And then we'll be ready for our panels.